These were great headlights when I got them. They're still bright as fuck. Some little eBay Chinese imports. But look at that. This lens got pretty yellow in comparison to this lens, where it didn't really get all that yellow, and it's not cracked. So I got them at the same time, and then this one is just terrible. Yeah, those are going bye-bye. As much as I love the design on these, it's time to upgrade. They're kind of dull, they ain't that bright. Time to give it a new facelift. Look at that. Can't have one piece looking like shit. One of the differences you can see right away. Look at how yellow they were. Not to mention all the crazing and the cracks. This is a beefy component. It's got some weight to it. Really well made. Good material. Looks like it's going to be really durable. A lot more so when you pick this up and you realize how lightweight plastic that is. I guess that's what you get when you buy cheap. Look at the cracks. Woof. Bright. Good cutoff. Cheap craftsmanship. Yeah, as soon as I pulled these off too, they just started falling apart. Oh, 3 years on the Jeep. Time to install. Look what a little dress up does. Go ahead and hit the lights off, Devin. Just turn the knob on the stock to off. Turn it all the way towards me. Go ahead and turn it back on. Man, that looks good. That's what it's all about. So here's the cutoff. We're about, I don't know, 75, 100 feet away from the building. Kind of pointed up a little bit too on the landscape, but this is the cutoff for the HiLights Gravity Pro LED headlights. Pretty crisp, clear cutoff. Need to do a little adjusting. I'd say I need to bring them down a little bit. Little bit of a bright spot in the center there on the bottom, but otherwise pretty even light throw. Good visibility on the outside. Now here's high beams. Really good light throw. I don't see too many artifacts on the light throw for the low beams. A little bit on the outside towards the upper line, but that's to be expected. It's not all crisp all the way over for every light beam, but this one definitely has one of the best patterns I've ever seen. It's almost perfect right out of the box, fresh install without any adjustments. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. The warranty's great. The product is phenomenally built. So go get you some. So here we are with the headlights off. We're going to throw the winch light on. Turn the headlights back on. Throws incredible light. Right where you need it for the winch light. Here's the light bar. Actually, that's A-pillars, my bad. With the amber covers on. Fogs. And turn signals. And this is the light bar. Lights up everything. A-pillars, center fogs, headlights. The amount of light throw on this is ridiculous to the side. I mean, just look at that. It's amazing. So that's the high beams right there. And here's the light bar. KC Gravity Pro. Those floods are massive. Get you some, KC.